Hi, today we're going to demonstrate how to create serving platters with plant imprints. First, gather your supplies. We have the tools and equipment needed to complete this project linked on the Bailey blog. Roll out a nice even slab. We used our Bailey Minimite 2 slab roller to roll out standards number 240 white clay. It's a great throwing clay that also hand builds well. The light color of the clay also creates a nice foundation for our glazing. Cut out a piece of clay from the slab to make your platter with. In order to determine the size, place your GR mold form face down onto your slab and cut out around the mold form. Time to pick your plants. Venture out into the great outdoors to select leaves, flowers, or buds to use for the decorative imprints. Place your plant matter onto your clay in an artful arrangement. Use the Bailey Mini Roller to roll the plant matter into the clay surface. We created multiple platters at one time using different size and shape GR mold forms, so we were able to make arrangements with many plants that we picked. Keep your plants in place and drape the clay over each mold form. Allow the work to dry to a firm leather-hard state before flipping the platters onto their backs on a sheet of newspaper. The newspaper will allow you to move the clay pieces around easily on the drywall board. With your fingertips, carefully lift the wooden GR mold forms out of the clay. Your platter forms are taking shape. It's time to remove the plant matter from the platters. We do this so that the organic material does not interfere with the glaze colors. When your pieces are dry, bisque fire to cone 04. Then add wax resist to the foot of each piece. Remember, glaze will not stick to any area where you brush on the wax. A banding wheel makes a great surface that allows you to work in the round. To highlight the subtle veining and texture of the plant material, we decided to go with a wiped back application of Amico's Velvet Underglaze in the color Electric Blue V386. Apply one thick coat of underglaze to the surface of the work, making sure that the underglaze fills into all of the nooks and crannies. After the underglaze dries, it's time to wipe it back with a damp sponge. Clean your sponge intermittently as you wipe until the smooth, raised areas are clean of color. The color will remain in the plant impressions. Leave as little or as much color as you desire on your platter. Our platters were complete with a final application of glaze. We applied 2 brush coats of Spectrum's 1100 transparent and fired them in a Bailey top-loading electric kiln to cone 5. The beauty is in the details. These platters are ready for gifting or plating. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Bailey Pottery on YouTube to see more ceramic tutorials. Remember, at Bailey you can find the best supplies, tools, and equipment in the industry, all at great prices.